Okay, so today we have kind of a random video, but me and my sister Ava both really like Halloween, so we started looking at Halloween stuff like 2 months ago. Costumes, decorations, candles, all of that stuff, because we love Halloween so much. My whole family really likes Halloween, and we decided to get a few decorations for our rooms. Sarah just really wanted to decorate my room, and she's the best sister ever, so she's gonna help me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna give a quick haul of what we got, and then we're just gonna show you guys how we're gonna decorate the room. And also just to let you know, it's really awesome because we got most of this stuff from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, so everything I think was $1, right? Yeah. So yeah, everything was $1, so super affordable. I think for everything we paid maybe like $15, and we got a good amount of stuff, I'd say. So yeah, let's just get right into the haul. The first thing? Yeah. Okay. And as you guys can see, I have Hocus Pocus. I could say, I put a spell on you. It's my mom's shirt. Alright, so the first thing
is pumpkin, like pumpkin refreshener, and I don't know how to do this.
So yeah, it just smells like pumpkin. You just take off the little paper inside. So let's do that. It's like a jelly substance. Ooh, feel it.
Yeah, I feel it's fine.
So, and then you just screw the top back on. There's holes in the top, so the smells are just going to fume out. So I got that, and it is in pumpkin, so had to get it. Okay. Oh yeah, my turn. Alright, so the next thing I got was this cover for my chair. Just this chair I do my hair and makeup at. So it says, "Give me something good to eat," and it has this little monster holding a pumpkin sack. And it's just really cute, and I like it. There was another one, well there's a couple different ones actually. There's one that looked like a pumpkin, but I just liked the look of the black one. So yeah, I'm going to put that on my chair.
This is another air refreshener. It's Hawaiian, and we're gonna put this one in our bathroom.
Yeah, not really like Halloween-y, but it's just for our bathroom.
Yeah.
Alright, so then the next thing is I got this little scary thing with a, what's this called?
Candy corn.
Candy corn. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but got that for only $1.
And we got the magic potion.
I love this. This was only $1, guys. Like, can you believe it? And it's actually really good quality, huh?
Yeah.
It's really sturdy and yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
Looks like you're drinking magic potion. Obviously, the purple, it's just intertwined in the two pieces of the plastic in the cup, and then you just put whatever drink, and yeah. Another thing is we got this tape to put it on my siblings' doors. I'm just gonna put like 2 X's across their doors, and I think it's gonna look really awesome. So we got that.
And then we got a little cute little pumpkin that says boo. And oh, I just noticed this. The exclamation mark kind of has like a bone thing to it. And yeah.
Cute. Alright, and then the next couple of things from this bag that we got are these window decals or decorations, whatever you want to call them.
Oh, we forgot the skeleton.
Oh, yeah. I'll show in the video. So one of them says help, and it's all just bloody and gross, and then another one has these 2 bloody handprint with some blood splatters. So we're probably going to put this on the front window of our house so everyone can see it.
This is hard to unfold. Okay, So this is a thing, and it says it's for like a door handle or something, and it says please do not open before Halloween. Has a little vampire on it, and yeah, it's like connected in the back so nothing falls down.
Yeah. So for Ava, where are you putting this again?
Like on my door or something.
Okay, so this one says the witch is in, and it's basically like the same thing I have, but it just says something different. And it's really cute, really sparkly, and yeah, it'll look really awesome on her door.
So this is air freshener spray, and it's scented apple, cinnamon, nutmeg. And it's for like to make things smell good. You can spray it on your bed, basically anywhere.
Here, I'll spray it. Guys, if you love like Halloween, fall, Thanksgiving, just like the autumn months, definitely get this scent. It's from Target. It was only $1. Oh my gosh, doesn't it smell amazing? It just smells like you are in a Halloween Winterland, if that even makes sense. What? Okay, so then last but not least, I got this tinsel garland from the Dollar Tree. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put this yet. I originally wanted to put it around my closet, but now I'm thinking it might look kind of weird over there, so I might put it around my windowsill or maybe behind my bed. So I'm not too sure. You guys will see what we end up doing with this in the video. So, okay guys, so we have decorated ourselves properly. Now we're just going to get into the decorating part, which we're super excited about. We've been wanting to do this for a while now. So yeah, we will see you guys back in this place, just in a different spot. Hey guys, so we finished with my room. It's all done now. We did a little bit other parts of my house, so I'm gonna show you guys that really quick. Okay guys, so here's the door. This is my sister's door. There's her room and everything. This is what she hung on her door, so super cute. And then I ran out for our bathroom door. Kind of loud, girl. I ran out for our bathroom. I ran out of this for our bathroom door, so it looks kind of dumb, but whatever. And then like you guys saw, we had that air freshener, and it smells really good in here, right? Only $1, people. Get your air freshener.
Oh my god.
Okay, so then moving on to my room. So the first thing you'll see is this please do not disturb before Halloween, which literally mood. And then we move over to over here, and I just have this picture of, I don't know, a lake or something, and I just put the tape on there. And then we got that. That looks pretty cool in my opinion. And then when we come down here, we have, I just switched out my makeup brush thing, so now I just have this light pink mug, have the cute little bag, have my air freshener, have the magic potion. Then we come up here, and this is actually my favorite part. So as you guys saw, this would not fit on my chair, this chair right here. So we just hung it up there. I just tucked it underneath one of my baskets that I have up there. And then underneath is just shoes I never really wear or don't wear as much. So this is what it looks like from farther away. It's so cute. I love the little tassely garden, whatever it's called. And then this super cute little decoration. Give me something good to eat. So cute, I love it. Over here, I decorated this area a little bit too. I just put my perfumes on this little glass plate, and then I put the pumpkin, I don't know, what is this, air freshener. And when we move over, I just put this little scary figure thingy right there. So I think this whole area looks so adorable. That's what it looks like from farther away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it maybe gave you some inspiration of things that you can buy for only $1 and decorate your room with. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.